Remove it now.
I said I don't want to see this. For this is Biafra land. And the school belongs to Biafra people. And the people going to the school are Biafrans. This is no more the flag we make use of. We have our flag. Where is the flag of Biafra? This one we need.
After removing it, you replace it with Biafra flag.
Yeah, let me have it this way. The Biafra flag bow to the mount.
Go back where you were. It's okay.
Yeah, this is what we make use of. This is Biafra flag. And we are in Biafra land in Anambra. So we need our flag anywhere that is in Biafra land. So it has been replaced with the Biafra flag. That's what we need. Thank you.
Hello viewers all over the world, welcome today especially to Nnewi, the home of our late hero Ojukwu. Here with me are the elders of Ikwocha Warrior. You are going to hear from them why they are here all the way from Ikwocha. Why are they here today? With me are the beautiful elders. Please, you are going to hear from them one after another. Please, can you tell the world your name and why you are here today?
Thank you. My name is Onowu Ichie Ebere Agonsi, Madiora number 1 of Ibrahim. We are here actually to embrace our fellow elders from Anambra State. We embark on this journey because we want to evangelize to them. We want to tell them that they are more expected in this struggle. And we want to tell them their duty and their roles to play in this Biafran land. The issue of election is gone far. We are Biafrans. We have not decided to elect our leaders. When the time comes, we reach it. As it stands now, in Anambra State, there is no election.
Thank you very much, sir.
The person of His Majesty is Sir Pastor Destiny Enyinda Omenegu Ogunka. I'm from Ikure land, Ikure in Biafra land, and we are the Ikwocha warriors. Okay. The people that have been following our leader Ohamadike from prison to court, even until 25th of April 2017, when he was granted bail. Today is a remark, because a task was handed over to me for evangelism all over the Biafra land, to bring the real elders of IPOB of Biafra in order to move in this struggle, so that those criminals parading themselves as elders in Biafra land, going to Hausa Fulani, collecting money, speaking all kind of nonsense in the name of elders, so that nonsense will stop. And that is why we are here today, to meet our brothers, the elders here, to get them together with us, because this land is called Nnewi in Anambra in Biafra land. A land where the first father of this struggle, Ikem Odumegu Ojukwu, is from. And that is why we are here today, to meet the whole elders of the 3 senatorial zones, north, central, and south.
Okay,
thank you.
Listen, I can see my people, in my house. I can see my people in rivers. I also see my people in downtown, West River and Akwa Ibom. Even in the state, I can see my people in Enugu. I can see my people in Anambra. I also see my people in Ebonyi, Imo and Abia, Igala and Igama, Biafra, Biafra, Biafra. something could be before go that man to see the unification of all.
This BTV, I'm very glad to meet you today. I wanted to speak on the happiness you have receiving these elders into your domain today, sir.
Thank you. My name is Augustine Ezam, Chief Ozezan of Agolo. So, I come and welcome my brothers who come from Iguacha in Biafran Land, Warrior Zone. So, I'm very grateful.
Warriors of Iguacha, you people are highly welcome in Anambra State today. Anambra South Senatorial Zone, I'm the coordinator. So, this place that you people are staying now is my zone. That is why I'm here.
Okay, thank you.
So, elders, you are highly welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Name, Mr. Ernest.